Hello guys, mayroon tayong cake dito guys. Yan. So lalagyan pa natin siya ng garnish guys. Kakainin natin siya guys. Lalagyan siya natin ng garnish. Okay? Ito na yung cake natin guys. Yan. So hindi masyadong maganda yung garnish guys. Ako lang naman kakain guys. So, kakain na tayo guys. Okay. Wala ko ng gloves guys. And kain na. Yan. Super yummy. Number one. Grabe guys, sarap guys. Hindi ko maubos guys. Ay, grabe na. No! Naubos na guys. Hindi ko na maubos guys.